A major blizzard warning is back in the spotlight for the Northeast. Just this week, the National Weather Service issued alerts for heavy snowfall and powerful winds, from New York City all the way to Boston. The response? Thousands of flight cancellations and widespread school closures, with officials urging residents to stay off the roads. Why does this matter? These conditions could cause significant power outages, disrupt travel for millions, and impact supply chains across the region. With the storm expected to intensify overnight and emergency crews on high alert, this weather event is only getting more intense. Stay tuned, because what's happening in the Northeast could hit closer to home than you think.